Today we are making a small batch of traditional fry bake with this easy to follow recipe. These bakes are perfect for breakfast, lunch or dinner. We have our ingredients ready: flour, water, leavening agent, fat and everything else we need. Into a bowl add your flour. Add sugar for a little sweetness and flavor. Our leavening agent is baking powder. Yeast can also be used, but baking powder is a traditional way. Salt to taste. If you don't add fat, it's going to be a very dry and tough fry bake. Margarine. Start mixing the dough by breaking up the fat and distributing all the ingredients. When it looks crumbly like this, gradually add water and knead to create a soft ball of dough. Use preferably room temperature water, as cold water slows down gluten development. I usually rub the dough on the sides to pick up all the dry flour. This aids in gluten development. The ball has been formed. I've mixed it for 8 minutes. Let us cover the bowl and let it rest for approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour, allowing the gluten strands to relax. After such time, place the dough on the counter. If mixed well, you won't have to add any dusting flour. Once you poke holes into the dough and they don't bounce back, you know that your bake will be very soft. Tear or cut the dough and divide it into 9 or 10 balls. I try to divide the dough as equal as I can, and then I roll them into balls. This is a quick fry bake demo. The recipe will be in the description box written. I simply use my fingers to span each dough ball to get a similar size for each of my bake. Using a rolling pin or a bottle if you desire, roll them flat and thin, but not too thin, because they will bounce back with thickness when they begin to fry. Rolling them too thin means that they will end up a little bit dry and crispy like crackers. To fry, I am using some coconut oil. This is not the traditional coconut oil that you make at home, and when you fry them, the entire neighborhood knows that you are making some fry bake in coconut oil. Very soon I will be doing a recipe for coconut oil. We are going to fry them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side on medium-high heat, and then we're going to flip them over. If your heat is evenly distributed, then when you are ready to turn them over, they should be nice, flawless and golden throughout. And speaking about golden, these are going to be enjoyed with some good cheddar cheese while they are very hot. What would you eat these fry bake with? Let me know in the comments. What's your favorite pairing? We have now come to the end of our recipe. If you enjoyed the video, give the video a thumbs up, a subscribe. Help me to grow my YouTube channel by sharing. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and see you in another one of my recipes.